Speed, speed, speed. Sometimes it's all that matters. Sometimes, because it's all that matters, everything else comes second. That is not the case with this stand. Watch as our man constructs a stand which is not only built to save you time, but to give you strength. You're looking at a cross-brace stand that can carry heavy media screens, tables, and lights without buckling under the pressure. And with strength comes choice. As you can see here, this stand looks the business setup with a lovely traditional curve. But if that doesn't float your boat, don't worry. We'll build the shape to order too. There's one last surprise as well. The stand you see here has managed to eliminate that troublesome end panel pop-ups suffer with. Watch. Here it's now just a case of adding the graphic on top of a convenient magnetic strip. Speed is everything. Speed is the ISOframe Express. This is intelligent exhibiting.